Greenconn GB05 Series Wire-to-Board Wafer Connector. The GB05 Series is available in right-angle and vertical configurations with a 2.0mm pitch design. Offering 2 to 15 circuits, it provides greater design flexibility to meet a wide range of application requirements. The GB05 Series features wide solder hold-down tabs, providing a PCB retention force of up to 100 newtons to withstand high-vibration automotive environments. An inner secondary lock (ISL) design minimizes latch damage caused by wire harness entanglement, ensuring enhanced connection reliability. The wire side housing features an independent terminal position assurance (TPA) structure to verify proper terminal insertion, providing a terminal retention force of up to 50 newtons for enhanced positioning and locking reliability. It also withstands a 1000-volt dielectric voltage and supports up to 3 amps per contact, meeting high current application requirements. The GB05 Series is manufactured using high-quality materials. The board side housing is made of high heat-resistant PA9T, while the wire side housing uses high-stability PBT. The contacts are made of tin-plated copper alloy for AWG22 wire. The connector operates reliably from -40°C to +125°C, meeting demanding application requirements. The GB05 Series is widely used in automotive lighting, new energy vehicle BMS, industrial inverters, consumer electronics, and home appliances, providing stable and reliable interconnect solutions.